In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Mailchimp to access the analytics of your email campaigns. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide is perfect for anyone looking to optimize their email marketing strategy using Mailchimp's powerful features. So sit back and let me walk you through this simple yet essential process. Let's begin by heading over to Mailchimp's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you may need to register, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you already have access to your Mailchimp dashboard. Now that you're logged in and on the dashboard, focus your attention towards the navigation bar at the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a list of options to manage your account, but for today, we're concentrating on the section labeled Campaigns. This is your starting point for reviewing and assessing the performance of your email campaigns. Click on Campaigns, and you'll be transported to a new page where all your recent marketing efforts are cataloged. Here you'll find both draft and sent campaigns, but what we want to focus on today are the campaigns that you've already sent out into the world. To do this, look through the list and find an email campaign that's already been published. By selecting an active campaign, you instantly gain access to a wealth of analytics that provide insights into how your audience is engaging with your content. Click on the campaign you wish to review. This action will open up a detailed report of your selected email campaign. Mailchimp's campaign reports are packed with valuable data that offer tremendous insight. Within the report, you'll see key performance indicators such as the open rate, which tells you the percentage of recipients who opened your email. You'll also take note of the click-through rate, indicating how many people clicked on links within the email. These metrics are crucial for understanding what content resonates with your audience, helping you tailor future campaigns to improve engagement. But it doesn't stop there. As you scroll through the report, you can analyze even more detailed information like the bounce rate, which reflects how many emails weren't delivered successfully, and the unsubscribe rate, showing how many people have opted out of receiving your emails. These are equally important indicators that can highlight areas in need of improvement. Once you've thoroughly reviewed the available data, you've completed the journey. Congratulations, you've now successfully accessed and understood the analytics of a published email campaign on Mailchimp. With this new knowledge, you're better prepared to make informed decisions that refine and improve your email marketing initiatives. Thank you for joining us today. I'm confident that with these insights, you're on your way to mastering Mailchimp and optimizing your email marketing performance. Until next time, happy campaigning.